she is complete. Yeah, so these optics don't fit this one, so I had to kind of go back with a classic optics for this one. Had this one for a while. God, I probably need to line up this sight. Yeah, but yeah, a little oily and greasy, but this is the one I painted, and I think it looks good. Look at this barrel. It matches it. So I got a, so I got a vented barrel, vented slide. Yeah, I had to take this guide rod. For some reason, it wasn't working right on this one. So I just put it on this one anyway. I prefer this stainless steel one to be on this one anyway. No, I'm not flashing myself. It's up in the air. Nobody's right there. Remember the brick wall up there. Literally through and through. But anyway. Yeah, so plus that matched this barrel. So I like that. Black on black. And my micro. So all my daggers are complete. So my whole set is complete now. No more daggers. All vented slide daggers. This is the only one that got a ported barrel though. I like that. And it's got a rifle cut out in there, so it's rifled. When they say rifle, it means it's got the cutouts for it to accelerate when it comes out. The cutouts like a rifle. This is a compensator. Helps with muzzle rise. There's no really reason why that cutout is there. I just like it because it looks good. And the barrel is gold. I like that. So, they are complete. I had to lower this sitting around. I'm like, I gotta complete this. And now it is complete. I like that. I like that. That is nice. Alright, let me know what y'all think about that. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna get crap about all this other attachments I have on here. But you know what? Fuck y'all. I put what I want on my shit, and it works. Oh, damn it. Tell me my battery's out. Damn. Well, I need batteries for that one. Alright, whatever. Alright, let me know what y'all think. Yeah, and before y'all say it, I know the rear sights is not lined up with the optics. I just needed something to put on there. I will be probably getting higher sights for the rear that lines up with the optics. So, yeah, I just need to put something on there. That's only temporary.